how to reset the Apple password on your MacBook computer. So if you've forgotten the password to your Apple account, I'll show you two ways on how you can go in, change and recover the password. Now this will work on MacBook Pro, MacBook Air and also iMac as well. So the first thing you need to do is head over to your Mac home screen like this. Now click on the Apple logo in the top left hand side and press System Settings. You can then click on your profile name at the top of this screen, and then you'll need to click on Sign In and Security. You'll see this password field, click on Change Password. And now you'll need to enter the password that you use to sign into your Mac computer. So this is different to your Apple password. This is the password you use to sign into your Mac. Now, once you've entered your password, you'll now have the option to change your Apple ID password. So just go and enter a new password and you can then reconfirm the password and press continue. Now, if it's not working or you don't have access to a Mac computer, there is one more way to do this as well. So what you'll need to do is open up an internet browser like this. You could then click on the address bar and you need to type in account.apple.com and press enter. You could then scroll down this page. Now click on sign in. Now click on the cancel button. You then need to enter your email address and press continue. And now select forgot password. Now enter either your email address or your phone number. And then what you can do is go and enter your phone number into this field here. And you can basically use your telephone number to verify your Apple account. And you can use this method to change your Apple ID password. If it's still not working, then head back over to the Apple sign in page. And this time click on sign in with passkey. You could then click on use other device. And if you're signed into your Apple account on your iPhone, you can basically use the camera on your iPhone to scan this QR code. And this will automatically sign you in to your Apple account on your Mac. And then you'll be able to go and change your password from here.